MXF stands for Material Exchange Format. It's the standard for pro broadcasters. Windows Media Player often fails to play the audio. You need a player that supports professional codecs like VLC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's play it. My experience tells me that some MXF files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. The MXF extension has been registered globally as a member of the video file group. The data is officially packaged using Material Exchange Format technology. The Material Exchange Format MXF1 is a container format for professional digital video and audio media. It's designed to support a variety of codecs, metadata, and wrappers, making it suitable for broadcast and post-production workflows. MXF files encapsulate essence, video, and audio data, along with metadata describing the content. MXF is based on the Advanced Authoring Format, AAF, and is designed for interoperability between different systems and vendors. It supports various metadata schemes, including SMPTE metadata dictionaries. The file structure allows for non-destructive editing and efficient access to different parts of the media. The most trusted opener for the MXF file is consistently various professional video editing software, from Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers, SMPTE. Only basic attributes are visible within the standard Windows File Explorer. Windows supports typical consumer formats, though creators often use specialized tools. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your MXF file and select Open With. Test various professional video editing software if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. If the MXF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Due to the specificity of the MXF format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, use Professional Video Editor. Open the file using a professional video editing application like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or VLC Media Player. Next, check Codecs, Plugins. Ensure the necessary video codecs, e.g. ProRes, DNxHD, and any required MXF plugins are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. If the file fails to import, use a tool like FFmpeg to convert the file to a guaranteed compatible format like .mp4 or MOV. When all basic troubleshooting is exhausted, the MXF file requires an industry-grade opener built for tough formats. It's worth a shot. When specialized tools failed on your MXF file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you're a longtime viewer, thanks. If you're new, please join the community by subscribing today. I'm grateful you chose to watch this tutorial.